Hi Gary, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things we can do to your website to help you start ranking higher on Google and bringing in more business to you. Now, the three major things that we're going to talk about today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So I've got your website up here. I really like that your phone number is readily available in both places. You've got a call to action right here and right up here. Those are both great. Your locations there is there too. The picture is nice, and looking at it visually, it's very just clean, simple, and sleek, which is nice. You do have some of your services readily available right here, and so I would take these ones and also get those listed right here too, just so that your clients can immediately see everything that you offer right up there. And then, of course, you want to get some pages for those services too, with a little bit more detail. If Spokane's your only service area, that's great. If you have other ones, you would want to get those pages listed on your website as well. Now going through, you've got pictures here, which is nice. Some information about you, which is nice too, because we definitely want it to be personalized for our clients. And then your service area, your contact info again right down there at the bottom. That's all really nice. I pulled up one of the top competitors in your area as well, Spokane Painting Pros. So again, as you can see, phone number right there, call to action right there, their services, testimonials, contact, all that stuff right there. And here their services are just readily available right up at the top for their clients to see. They've got the Meet the Owner, which helps personalize this website, and they've got some more information about their clients, some testimonials from their clients. All those things are great things to have on your home page there. And then they've also got these social media links, so more ways that their clients can get in touch with them, which is definitely something, if you've got those, get those added to your website. Now, aside from a nice looking website, Google really cares about content, and it wants you sitting at about 1,500 to 2,000 words of quality content on this home page. So I put you into wordcounter.net, which is a free tool. As you can see, you've got about 428 words on your homepage, and Spokane Painters has about 196 words. So they're pretty far below you. However, neither one of you is close to that 1,500 mark, and that's really where you want to be at. Now, in addition to that quality content, Google really wants you to have good quality keywords sprinkled in throughout, so really by your intent keywords. Painter Spokane, when I search that on your website, that specific keyword doesn't come up at all on your website. And so this is something you can add in there super easily by putting something like Danielson Painting LLC, the painter Spokane loves. Google's going to see that because it sends crawlers through your website, and it's going to help rank you because it's going to see that you're relevant to what customers are searching for. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so Google's like a popularity contest, and so backlinks are very important. A backlink is just a shout out from another website that lets Google know that you're trustworthy and you're relevant, but not all backlinks are created equal. So if you have a shout out coming from like Pizza Hut, it's not going to have the same kind of power because Google knows you're not a pizza company. Now, the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but there are other free tools out there that you can use. And so I've got your site up here. What we're going to look at really quick is this UR and DR rating. Now, our UR rating is our trustworthy rating with Google. Our DR rating is our power rating with Google. So yours are pretty low, and you definitely want to get those up. Now, that's influenced by your backlinks, and your backlinks are all in these referring domains. Now, I put in Spokane Painters as well, and as we can see, their trustworthy and their power rating are not quite where they should be as far as equality goes. We really want them to be like a 1 point difference for that golden ratio. And so that plays into the fact, like I said earlier, not all backlinks are created equal. So they've got a lot of backlinks and they've got a lot of referring domains, but they might not all hold the same amount of power that they need. So what I would do is I would just go in here, kind of explore through these referring domains and get myself added to the relevant ones that are the same, that I know are going to bring me more power, because If this is helping your competitors rank, it's going to help you rank. And that's just done by sometimes just emailing the account owner. Sometimes you just register your own account. Sometimes they do cost a monthly fee. Sometimes it's just listing your business citation in there. But this becomes worth it because it promotes your organic traffic. And as you can see, these guys have 100,000 for organic traffic. That's 100,000 people looking at their website per month, bringing in them real money. Now, we touched briefly on some of those organic keywords. We'll take a look at those here. And so as you can see, they've got things like epoxy floor. There's 70,000 people per month searching for something like that. Painters, 11,000. Residential painters, 2,700. So these are organic keywords that you want to make sure you've also got listed throughout your site to help you rank as well. Now, when we talk about organic ranking, what we mean is right down here. So boosting those backlinks and the content and those organic keywords are going to help get you ranked right here. And you want to be in spot 1, 2, or 3. And that's, like I said, just done by those backlinks and those keywords and that content. So the last thing that we're going to touch on here is going to be this area, the local map pack or Google My Business. How you get here is 1, creating a profile, 2, filling out that profile as much as you can, and 3, getting yourself listed in directories with your citation. So your citation is your business's name, address, and phone number. And the directories include things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook, things like that. And so what I would do if I were you, I would find all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself added into those exact same directories. And then I would go above and beyond that. And if they're in 150, I'm going to get myself listed into 300 directories so I can really blow them out of the water. All right, Gary, I hope that this was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.